In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund bundles in BO6. So if you actually purchase some bundles on the Black Ops of Call of Duty and you want to refund it, then this video is for you. So I have in here the support page of Call of Duty, and as you can see, here is the page for the return and refunds. So you can return items to your Call of Duty shop if you're not satisfied with your purchase. However, do take note that items can be returned within 31 days of receipt of the order. So you can also find there the return and refund status. It may take around 5 business days to process the return. However, during busy periods, this may actually take longer. Now, if your item is actually damaged or faulty, you can actually return them as well. Now, as you can see right here upon searching, you can actually initiate a refund using Steam. You can get a refund within 2 days of purchase or less than 2 hours of gameplay. So for the Xbox or PlayStation, you need to contact Microsoft or PlayStation support. And for other platforms, you can just check the support or refund policies for that specific platform. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.